Bakal na. Bakal na. Try mo. What's that? Minion. Toothpaste daw nila, Daddy Minion, no? Dito mo na. Over there, baby. Let's go. Ano pa? Yung Play-Doh. Hindi nahanap. Okay, let's go to the other aisle, baby. Grabe, $5 ito.
Another Minion.
Yung sa isang karton, ano lang yata yon, $16. Ah?
Lipstick.
Slipper? May, hindi nga nagchichinelas. Ay, pang chani nga, Daddy. Ha? No, wala. Tingnan mo to, oh. Trimmer.
Ano madami?
I don't know. Maliit lang. Maraming mga mabibili dito. Pero punta tayo sa may... Nandito ba ang Play-Doh, bebe? No. Dito ba, Dad? Saan kabila? Dito?
Look! Lego cockatoo!
Kailangan namin mag-donate ng Play-Doh sa school. Last year, nag-donate din si Hannah. We are giving Play-Doh for the kids at school. For them to use during the activity time. O, saan dito yung Play-Doh? Where's the Play-Doh? Oh, over there. Nakalampas. Sa kabila ako tumitingin. Oh, this one. It's $1. It's $1, baby. We have to get, I think, 1 box. Let's get in a box.
What was slime surprise?
What's that? Ito magkano to? Ay, maliliit lang. How much is this?
It's not a slime
Ng
surprise.
isang ano. It's $3.50. Maliliit. 4. Pero maliliit. Ito naman, $1.
That's slime. Oh, it's no slime.
Dito na lang. Okay, you have to choose the color, bebe.
Wow. Look at
Come on.
this. Cool.
Maybe we can
Kinetic.
get this lalagyan. Okay, baby Nat, you choose the color. One of this.
Wow.
Blue. Big love shout out to our live viewers. Baby, you have to pick, baby. Oh,
Purple.
what's that?
Purple.
Purple.
Kahoot.
Ano pa? This one.
Where's Kahoot to collect the
Punuin natin to.
Dawa-dawa kayo. The color. Dawa-dawa.
Dawa-dawang color.
Look, it's
Kasi may
wait
yellow.
the hoot
Wala
to
pang
collect
red.
the loot.
Ini arka na.
Sabi ko, ito. Ay, wala. Ay, wala pa nito. Get the red.
Oh,
This
look.
one red.
Look, it's game.
Oh, wow. There's a game. Wag na muna, baby. You have a lot of ano pa doon.
Okay.
Parang bakit iba to?
$1.
Kakaiba to.
This you pick up.
Malaki siya.
Hot dogs. Hot dogs.
Walang pula. Ito. Ay, pareho nung ano. Green. Purple ulit. Blue. Wala nang blue. Isa lang pala yung blue. No more. Oh, sa likod. Oh, yun. May blue. May pink nga. Palitan natin tong isa. Oh, yan. Green.
Pick a hoot.
Ito, green. Ito, palitan natin.
Karin.
Ito, may green na siyang katulad doon. Pink. Pareho lang to.
What's this?
Ano pa yung... Walang red. Ay. Wala. Walang red, bebe. We have to give assorted.
I want a Pika hoot.
Ha?
I want a Pika hoot.
Pika hoot.